And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this 5,000 milliamp hour portable charger. As you can see, this is model V0567. Nothing around the edges. And the back just tells you portable charger with a list of all the Apple Watches as well as the color. We got the black color. So let's open this up, see what we're working with here. Slide it out, nothing else in the box. And so we have a nice little instruction guide here, a couple different languages telling you all about this product. And then we have the actual 5,000 milliamp hour portable charger. So the Apple Watch charging output is 2.5 watts. Along the bottom here, you do have a USB-C in and out port, as well as a USB-C in over here. Looks like this is a power button. You get your percentage here on the side. So we got 74%. Look at that. And then this comes out as a little lightning cable. So this is a USB-C in and out. So you could plug in a USB-C cable and charge another device. This here is just an in port, which is actually for lightning. Lightning seems to fit into there perfectly fine. If you're not using your lightning port, you can just plug it in here and use it like a little hanger. So you could essentially pull this out and you could have it charge up a iPad. And while it's charging an iPad, you can have it, or an iPhone, you can have it charge up your Apple Watch. Yeah, you got this one charging and this one charging, both off of this one 5,000 milliamp hour power brick. That's pretty cool. And then as I mentioned, you do have the option for USB-C if you were to use a USB-C cable to plug into another device. So thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.